Hey guys, I'm going to be playing Scary Monkeys, and it's just a game I found, and I want to play it. It seems fun. So,
And no, I don't like it. I don't know how to get out. Hey dude, I want to try. Let's go complete levels together. Okay. What's the level? Okay, is this kind of like Big Scary?
Yes, it is kind of like Big Scary.
Okay. Yo guys, I opened the door in level 4. Come on.
Okay. How do I change my color?
Final go. I heard something. What's that? What the heck is that? Is that the monster?
I don't want to change color.
Yo, over here. Over here. Over here. Look, it's a lever. It's a lever.
Oh, what the heck? You get kicked from the game if you put your hand in the mirror? That's actually kind of cool. I didn't know that. That was crazy.
We should run.
Yo, how do you change your name? How do you change your color? How do you change your color?
I don't know. I'm first. Hey, dude! There's another monkey over here. Guys, let's complete level 1 together. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
How many bananas?
Come on. I don't keep my strap.
That's... Jeez, why does that keep happening? Every time I see a mirror, I put my hand in it and I get kicks. Why is that happening? I don't know what to
Go that way.
Okay.
You go that way. Wait, find the gate to unlock the door. That was like the level. Come on, you guys.
Let's go. Is this the first level? Parkour! This is cool. What happens if you... Okay. That's cool. This is so hard because everything keeps unloading. Like, look, where am I supposed to jump to? Okay. Can I go like backwards or something? This is a lot harder. Oh, ow. Ow, I hit myself. Okay, whatever. Oh, that was parkour. That's cool. guess, like, if you stick your hand up in the map, you get kicked. That's what I'm wondering. Or is it just I guess it's anywhere.